Welcome DP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like your Gaokao prep is a digital landfill? Spreadsheets everywhere, advice from Auntie Wang, brochures from universities, and yet you're still lost. That's the chaos we're tackling today. We're turning this anxiety into something solid, something you can actually compare. So what exactly is this Gaokao ChoiceLab? Think of it as a superpowered organizer for your college dreams. It's a prototype, a workbench designed specifically for the 2026 Gaokao. Main trick, it takes all that messy stuff, your scores, the list of schools, what you want, what your parents worry about, the risks involved, and puts it into a clear logical flow. No more scattered notes. It's all about making sense of the noise. You can find the actual tool, the open source version, right here on GitHub. Let's peek under the hood. Okay, why should you care about this ChoiceLab? What makes it special? Three big reasons. First, it doesn't just throw numbers at you. It takes those raw scores and rankings and turns them into real insights. This choice is safer, that one is riskier but maybe more exciting. It helps you see the actual options and strategies. Second, it connects the dots. It links up the university data, what the major is really about, your future career hopes, and even your family's long-term goals. It uses this DIKWP framework to build a map for your decision. Third, and this is huge, it makes comparisons crystal clear. You can see, side by side, why option A might be better than option B based on evidence, not just gut feeling. Transparency, people. So how does this magic actually happen? It follows a logical path, a workflow that takes you from chaos to clarity. You start with your student profile and input your scores and rankings. Then it checks the rules for your region. Based on that, it builds a pool of possible institutions and majors. Next, you map out your preferences and any constraints. The system then compares the risks associated with different paths. It groups these into potential strategies. Crucially, this leads to a family discussion point, grounded in facts. Finally, you can draft your applications and keep a record of everything. See? It guides you through the process, making each step reviewable and understandable. Alright, so where can you use this? Pretty much anywhere you need to make a smart Gaokao choice. Education consultants, school counselors, families doing workshops together, or even students doing their own self-assessment. But remember the golden rule, this tool doesn't replace talking to each other. It gives that conversation a much clearer structure, a foundation of evidence. It's about empowering you to discuss your choices intelligently. Go check out the project, play with it, and see how it can help turn that Gaokao maze into a clear path forward.